In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
I've been using both Notion sites and Super for about 6 months now to turn Notion pages into websites. And here's the honest breakdown based on real use. Starting with Notion sites, this is the most straightforward option. If you already use Notion, you can basically publish a page as a website in just a few clicks. It's incredibly simple, very fast, and perfect for lightweight use cases like personal pages, docs, portfolios, or internal tools. What I liked most is the speed. There's almost no setup, and you don't need to think about hosting, design systems, or technical stuff. It just works. The downside is that it's very limited. Customization is minimal, SEO control is basic, and you don't get much freedom in branding or layout. It feels more like publishing Notion publicly than building a real website. Now, Super. This one takes the same Notion content, but turns it into a much more polished website. You still write everything in Notion, but Super gives you themes, custom domains, better performance, and way more control over how your site looks and behaves. What I liked most is how it transforms Notion into something that actually feels like a real website. You can customize design, improve SEO settings, and create a much more professional-looking result. The downside is that it adds another layer of complexity and cost. It's not as instant as native Notion sites, and you need to spend a bit of time configuring things properly. So what should you pay attention to? If you just want the fastest possible way to publish Notion content online, Notion sites is enough. If you want to turn Notion into a real branded website with SEO, design control, and better performance, Super is much stronger. For me personally, Super wins. It takes Notion from being just a workspace tool into something that can actually function like a proper website. But Notion sites wins if you want zero setup and absolute simplicity.